Hi everyone, this is Purnima Magalingam and you're watching video lecture series on power system protection and switchgear. This is a new video lecture series and we are going to start with the unit number 1, which is protecting schemes, and the topic for first unit is principles and needs for protective schemes. Come, let's go into the video. Here comes what? First, you can see here it is. Here is the basic power system structure. You can see here it is. We have a first what we have an electric energy generator. This is the power plant where electrical energy is generator. This is the power plant where electrical energy generator, whatever may be the power plant, electricity is generated at the power plant. This is number one. The next is voltage is stepped up from the transmission. So the generator voltage is stepped up with the help of transformer. That is what your point number 2. With after the step up, this step up transformer that will transmit with the help of transmission line. That is, energy travels along the transmission line to an area where which the power is needed. So that is the third point. And the next, where the energy is needed, the energy reaches where the energy is needed. Now what happens, that energy, that voltage is decreased with the help of a step down transformer. We have to step down the transformer for the commercial need, whatever may be. Step down transformer at another substations. So where the substation is near the electricity generator, where step up the voltages, where the substation near the where it is needed, there will be having step down transformer. And distributed power lines. Here we have a distributed power lines. With help of distributed power line, we distributed to various area where the power is needed, or whether it is a residential area or an industrial area, whatever may be. And then finally, it carries the electricity until it reaches the homes or a business. It carries, finally, it reaches the where it needs. Where it needs, it reaches the needs house. Okay. So this is the basic structure of electrical power system. Now, coming to this is in a single line diagram. Here we can see, here it is in a single line diagram. Here we can see first we have a generator. So generator stations, it may be whatever, maybe generator station. We have seen the power station. Now we have seen the entire power system. So that is described in a single line diagram. That entire power system is described in single line diagram. Now coming to here it is, first is a generator where the energy and electricity is generated. After that, we know that we have an transformer. This transformer is a step up or step up or step down, whatever may be, step up or step down transformer. And we have a bus, and we have a transmission line, and we have another bus where the connect joining. Bus is a joining. And we have a transformer. Here what is step down transformer, and we have finally motor where the load is needed. This is a single line diagram. Okay. Now this is also in a single line diagram of entire power system. Now coming to the basic symbol, protection symbols. Here where we have a two winding transformer symbol and a two winding transformer. It can be represented as like this and like this. And we have generator and we have a bus bar symbol, transmission line symbol, the delta connections and star connections. And we have a static load. The current transformer is represented like this, and the voltage transformer is represented like this. So current transformer, it is represented like this, and voltage transformer, it is represented like this. So series shunt, you know that series shunt, and capacitors and circuit breakers and fuses and surge arresters and disconnectors. So these are the protective symbols. Now coming to primary equipments, what are the primary equipment components? We have an electrical entire power system. It is a transformer, which is used to step up and step down, and breakers, that is to energize the equipment and interrupt false current isolated from the equipment. So breaking the isolated equipments from the good equipments. And next one is insulators to insulate the equipments from the ground and other places. And the next one is isolated, is also known as switches and buses. It allows them, here comes it is Here comes it is an buses which allows the multiple connection feeder at the same sources of power transmissions. So these are the basic power equipment, primary equipments and components. And along with this, we have an primary equipments of grounding and arresters and arresters where the lightning arresters plays an important role, and switchgears and reactors, VT and CT, that is voltage transformers, current transformer, and these are regulators. We have a current regulator, voltage regulator, VR, VQR, etc., etc. These are the primary equipments. And why the power system is needed system is protected. There is no fault-free system. We know that, and ensures safety of personnel. And usually faults are occurs between during the breakdowns of insulation due to various reasons such as overcurrent, over voltages, and lightning, etc. So these are the main thing we need to why we need to protect the system. Okay. And protective systems we have seen here, it is blackouts where because of why it happens with overreaction of protection schemes and bad design of protection schemes, blackouts may happens. So with to protect this blackouts, the system need be protections. And what happens because of the blackouts, where loss of service of large areas or population regions, and which is hazard to human life, and many results in enormous economic losses. And this is the primary protecting diagram. We know that is a single line diagram. Primary protecting diagram is a backup protecting diagram. We know the backup protecting diagram. And the system without protection, what happens? The system without protections, the short circuit and abnormal conditions occurs when the power system occurs on the heavy current associated with the short circuits is likely to cause a damage to the equipment. The main thing, damage to the equipment. So without protecting the system, then the equipment gets damages, then again it's lost to the industries, whatever may be. And we have seen so many elements. We have seen so many elements: current, voltage elements, relays, circuit breakers, batteries, fuses, lightning arresters. These are the elements of protection systems. And finally, we are coming for a mind map. What we can summarize, protecting sim, what are the problem identified with the help of this is what an empathy part, and this is a need for define, and what are the challenges, what are the economic concerns, what is sensitivity and reliability, and what is selective issues. We have main 6 parts in protections, and we have seen already in classes what is the blackout risks, and what about timing calculation, what about under protection, and we have seen relay failures and delay fault clearance. These are the main thing, and I hope you understood this topic. We'll meet in next topic. Thank you so much for watching.